My name is Snehal. I am Ayurveda physician. I was not aware of this Guru Mahima yantra, but when I came to know, we received the grace at our home also. It was the most intimate feeling, like with Sadhguru. It was very subtle, but the whole process when we got initiated, so I felt very intimated, very connected to Sadhguru at that moment, and it was very beautiful. So that was my experience. Transformation, yes, definitely. I did my Samyama, and soon after that I received Mahima. After receiving Mahima, there is a lot of change. Every day, lot of growth. Every day I am evolving and I am moving towards my ultimate well-being. These days that area has become like a temple itself. So even if it is something which is unconsciously, we are not discussing those things around that, and somehow we are doing our practices near the Mahima. Earlier we used to do in different room, but now we feel good around Mahima and do our practices there. I tell you, one day I was sitting and I did my Mahima puja I did, and after that I just sat there for a while, and suddenly I felt I was in meditation and I felt like I am in Dhyanalinga, near Dhyanalinga. So it gave me that feeling that I am meditating near Dhyanalinga. It was very clear to me. And whenever I sit near Mahima, I feel the presence of Dhyanalinga and Sadhguru. There are other aspects also, but this is very evident for me. Sadhguru is with me. He will help me to grow. Not just helping me, but other members in my family. They have changed in some way, in a better way. This is me, and he's there 93%. And I am 7%. He is destroying me every moment, who I am, who I feel I am, and evolving me new every day. So this partnership is amazing. That feeling itself is, you can't explain in words. But it is wonderful. I am very grateful that he had designed something like this for us to experience his presence. And I don't have words to show my gratitude, how I feel, but I'm very, very, very thankful to Sadhguru and Isha Foundations. People like us also got a chance to be in his presence, and it is wonderful.